Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Dhruvin. Here in this video I will show you share my locations not working on iPhone. Recently lot of iPhone and iPad user has been reported to wait to share my locations not working on iPhone. Here in this video I give you some solutions fixing share my locations is not working. Before the starting video, please make sure you are subscribed my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. Solutions number 1 is check make sure your location services is turned or not. First of all, open the settings app. Here settings app, scroll down and tap on the privacy. In privacy, now first one option is location services. In your iPhone, location services is off. Now please make sure turn on location services on your iPhone. Solution number 2 is again tap on the share my locations. Here you can see also share my locations is off. Now please make sure turn on. In this section, first one option is share my iPhone. Now please make sure tap on it. In the find my iPhone, number of options available. Now please make sure tap on it. In the find my options, now first one option is find my iPhone. If you turn off, now please make sure turn on. Second option is find my network. Now please make sure turn on, and last option is send to last locations also turn on. This all the location services features turn on your iPhone settings. Solutions number 2 is the most important. Now make sure check your iCloud account login or not. In your iPhone, iCloud account is not login. Now first of all open the settings app. In the settings app top corner signing options available. In this signing, make sure you enter the Apple ID and password and login your iCloud account. Solutions number 3 is turn off contact and privacy restriction. Now this question is how to turn off. Now first of all again open the settings app. Here settings app, scroll down and tap on the screen time. In the screen time, now again scroll down and content and privacy restrictions options available. If the content and privacy restriction is turned on, now please make sure turn off these features. This way too you can easily share my locations not working problem fix. Now the last and most important solutions is turn on and off aeroplane mode on your iPhone. For that, now first of all open the settings app. In the settings app, now first one option is aeroplane mode. If the aeroplane mode off, now please make sure turn on the aeroplane mode. Now the 10 to 20 second wait, then again turn off aeroplane mode on your iPhone and iPad. These 5 solutions to you can easily share my locations is not working on iPhone problem fix. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.